Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to work on the adding integers rule. So I'm going to do 4 examples with you, and then you're going to go ahead and do 4 examples on your own for your work for today. So I'm going to go ahead and pin the video so we can see it a little bit bigger. All right, adding integers, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at this first one. 4 plus negative 50. Our 4 has no symbol in the front, but we know that means it's a positive, and we have a negative 50. Remember, when I have different symbols, that means I subtract. So I'm going to set this up for subtraction. I have to borrow. 10 from 4 is 6, and then 4 comes down. All right, so I'm going to put my 46 there, but I am not done. I have to decide, is this going to be a positive 46 or a negative 46? So I'm going to come back over here to my numbers. I'm going to cover up my signs. I'm only looking at the 4 and the 50. So what you ask yourself is, which one is bigger, 4 or 50? Good job, 50 is bigger. Therefore, the sign in front of the 50 is the one that we keep, which is a negative. So we're going to put negative in front of that, and that's going to be our final answer, a negative 46. Let's look at this next one. A negative 12 plus a negative 63. I'm looking at my numbers. Both of them have a negative sign. I know that if I have 2 signs that are the same, I keep the sign and I add the numbers. 63 plus 12. And if you look here, that's kind of what it tells to do. It tells to add. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. And I'm going to bring that over here where my negative is. So negative 12 plus negative 73 is negative 75. Okay? Same signs, you add them and keep the sign. Different signs, you subtract them and keep the sign of the bigger number. Let's do another one. Negative 42 plus 42. Again, I'm looking at the signs. They are different. When I have different signs, I'm supposed to subtract. So set that up. 2 from 2 is 0. 4 from 4 is 0. I know that a 0 is neither negative or positive. Okay, so negative 42 plus 42 is 0. Okay, our last example, we have 13 plus 63. I know when there's no sign in front of the number, it is positive. So both of these numbers are positive, meaning they have the same sign. So I'm going to keep that sign. I don't need to put a plus for a positive. And I know because they have the same sign that I'm supposed to add them, which is what this says. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 76 is my final answer. Okay. All right, guys. Those are your 4 examples. Now you're going to go practice on your own. You have 4 problems to do for your assignment today. So go ahead and exit the video and head on over to the folder to do your work for today. And I will see you tomorrow.